Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a little walk around my tiny shop. If you've been following along for the natural dyeing projects, this one's a little bit different because I'm just showing you all the items I have in my shop. Now I have 12 different makers, including myself, who have items in the shop, and we're all in Japan and international or internationally minded. So let's dive in and have a look around and see the gorgeous items that I have. This is what you see when you first walk in. It is actually the old kitchen, and I'm using the sink area as a storage space. So I'm selling little tiny scraps of kimono silks. They're little pieces that I just can't use, but I feel I can't throw away. And you can make things like this kimikomi ball with those pieces, or you can make patchwork or cards, lots of different projects. I'm also now stocking my original Christmas cards, which are kokeshi dolls from my collection that I photographed and added some cute little angel wings and halo for Christmas time. And these are on sale at the moment, so come and pick 10 for 2,000 yen. Or packs of 12 for 2,000 yen. Also, Erica Ward is an artist who is an American living in Japan. She has a lot of original work as well as prints in the studio, and she has some beautiful cat postcards in stock. Going through from the entrance, you go into the little teeny tiny shop. It's 3 tatami mats, which is pretty small. And you're going to see lots of different products from different people. Here's some of my kimono pendants. They're quite large at 4 centimeters, made of quite sparkly special fabrics. Also from Juju with Love has got some daruma in store, as well as Tabi Tabiya, who has these really cute pouches which you could actually use as a clutch as well. And she has so many different colours. A lot of them are vintage and antique. She also works with nishijin, which is a new fabric. She also makes these amazing cushion covers. We have rectangles and squares in store. They're actually standard pads, so you can easily get these online as well. Look at the colours of those. Those are made of vintage obi mostly. Amazing. Always happy to have Patricia stocked in the shop. And next we have some more jewellery. This is all kimono jewellery by me, and I also use different things that I can find, such as obijime strings, the kimono strings that go across the obi, as well as I also use obi itself. I use wood, anything that I can find I'll make into jewellery. I've even used an old kokeshi doll before to make into a neck piece. Now I also have headbands made from vintage kimono fabrics, some amazing fabrics. These are really easy to wear. They've got elastic at the back, so they fit most sizes of head. A few more sparkly, very special fabric ones in the pendants. I also make neck pieces out of kimono fabric. So this one is a double strand, and these ones are quite special because at the back they have a tiny little pendant, a bezel, with a contrasting kimono fabric as well. I sometimes even make my own fabrics, as you may have seen in the cyanotype video. And this one is my final one that I have left. I made the fabric myself and used a leaf from the studio garden. I also have lots of other blue cyan coloured jewellery in store, and everything I make is light, easy to wear and comfortable. A bag by Tabi Tabiya again, and also bum bags by Mikan Bags in Kyoto. And I have some Christmas decorations finally in store. These are ones from last year, so they are actually in the sale in packs of 2. All handmade and made with vintage kimono, and they're 2-sided. Next up we have these amazing tea towels. They're British sized tea towels, they're quite large and they are made by Japan Design Collective, and they're in these beautiful designs of cherry blossoms and ume plum blossoms, bamboo, ginkgo leaves. They're gorgeous. More bags by Clementine at Mikan Bags. She also uses Nishijin fabric, which is a new fabric, as well as vintage obi and kimono in her designs. The last of the metal decorations are on sale from last year. I'm not making any more of these. These will be, when they're gone, they're gone. So these are also double-sided and they are also made from vintage kimono. I also make my own cards, and there are some cards by Christina Lopp, who is an artist based in Tokyo. And there's lots and lots more vintage kimono jewellery, lots of studs, a little bit understated designs for the more classic look. And also we have some beautiful work, handmade paper, taiyaki by Melissa Finkenbeiner, who is an American artist based in Tokyo, and some stickers by Christina Lopp. These are super cute. Clementine has also made some makeup bags. She's cleverly coated the obi fabric with a special plastic to make them waterproof. I was so excited when Erica Ward Illustrations said that she could stock her original artwork in the studio. I have a number of artworks by her. I also have this beautiful 3D printed light by From Juju with Love, and Juliette does this amazing kind of pop artwork. It's so cool. This is a light that changes colour. Whatever mood you're in, you can find a colour to go with it, or you can just let it do its own automatic colour. We also have hand-poured soy candles made in Hokkaido by North Candles, a Canadian and Japanese couple, Alex and Mammy, and they have just stocked today. They've just stocked their autumn ones with me, so I have a few of those in stock. Matt from Turning Tokyo does these amazing turned vessels and bowls, and Melissa Finkenbeiner has also got some limited edition prints in store as well. Such beautiful work. For this one she worked in inks, and there are a very, very limited number of prints. I think it's 15 in this series, so come and get them. We also have these by Tabi Tabia. Patricia has made these sets of pouches, a smaller one that can fit inside the other one, so you can organise things in your handbags so easily. More taiyaki. And also Erica made this is really my favourite one, the tempura, the tendon, and that is Miyajima. More pendants by me, but this time a little bit more of a classic look, not so large. And then some fun and funky, brightly coloured neck pieces made by me. And two absolutely stunning bags made by Patricia at Tabi Tabia. She's made these so painstakingly. They are both one of a kind. Nothing like it in the world. I also make silver jewellery, and I made this collection based on a cherry tree. I love cherry blossom, and this particular cherry blossom has a lot of significance for me. I'm going to link in the description to my blog explaining about the significance of it. You can see that I've imprinted the cherry blossom in these earrings, and those ones are made with a summer cherry blossom leaf. I also sell in the shop teeny tiny kokeshis. I collect them because I just love them, but I have actually got too many, so I've decided to let them go. I also have these double wrap bracelets and obijime necklaces, as well as these kits by Three Houses Designs. Everything is in the kit for you, so you don't have to go shopping for anything. All the floss, the pattern, even the embroidery hoop is in there. Here are my double wrap bracelets. These sell out as I can't keep them in stock. They seem to sell out as quickly as I put them on the shelf. And these kits are from Christina Lopp, as well as some colouring books, which are actually depleting a little bit now, by Erica Ward Illustration. She has got these gorgeous cat illustrations, perfect presents for kids and cat lovers. And also I have this one, this is my personal favourite, of all these beautiful ladies in kimono with all the floral designs on the hair. Christina Lopp has made these kits with paper ephemera and a sketchbook. It comes with the glue and a pen also. And I also have some risograph prints from Juju with Love, and some other prints as well. These are super cute. These are unframed, so you can frame them yourself how you like. Erica also has some sets of postcards which are so cute. These are so tempting just to keep all of them rather than give them away. You can see there's, I think it's 12 or 14 in each set, but there's a lot. There are also these very, very cute stickers by Three Houses Designs. Stickers that you can put on top of fabric and then you can sew on top of them to make you look like a complete embroidery expert when you're not. More prints by Erica Ward Illustration. She does these larger A4 size prints. I only have, I think, one left of or two left of the Hachiko prints. That's all I have. And Nozo Cat, she is an artist in Fukuoka, and she makes these beautiful postcards. And Patricia from Tabi Tabi again has made this wall organizer. These are great to have in your hallway to hold letters, bills, your keys, whatever you need. We also have the Konbini range by Erica Ward Illustration. She has done the 3 main favourite konbinis with a bonsai. So cool. There are some more bum bags by Clementine from Kyoto at Mikan Bags, as well as the phone pouches, which I absolutely adore. This one I think is coated, so it's waterproof. And there's a waterproof zip on them as well. The fabrics are so gorgeous. Have quite a few of these in store, so come and try them on. It's a teeny tiny shop, but it's packed literally to the rafters with products. Patricia has also got some cushions and a laptop case, and there are some kimono decorations by me, as well as 3D printed mini daruma by Juliette from Juju with Love. If you put these on a window, the light that shines through the washi paper is absolutely glorious. Here are the packs of cards that I was telling you about. These are all the same colour, all pink, and they're in the sale at the moment. I also have some of these kimono collage cards that I made a couple of years ago. And Patricia also has more pouches, double zip pouches in different kimono fabrics and also obi fabrics. This is where I do all my work. This is where I make the jewellery, where I teach workshops, where I do my natural dyeing. And in this box, getting ready, are a bunch of kokeshis. I love kokeshi dolls, but I'm not going to let you peep inside until I launch those, and they'll be on my website very shortly. A brand new addition to the studio shop is this beautiful embroidery work by Ria Paramita, and she is an Indonesian embroidery artist living in Tokyo, and she's just sent some work through to be featured in the shop. She's made a couple of brooches, all hand embroidered. The work is so beautiful and fine. And she's also sent this amazing, this is hand embroidery. It's so incredible. This is a bag strap, or I guess you could use it for other kind of like an instrument case or anything like that. But it's all hand embroidered all the way along. The work is incredible. She is so talented. She's also made these embroidery pieces to display. You can see right through these, so it's kind of like a fine lace, like a mesh, and the detail is just stunning. She uses the best quality materials also, so that's why it catches the light the way it does. I only have 2 of these in store, so when they're gone, they're gone. For all the hydrangea lovers out there, look at this. This is a framed piece of embroidery art by Ria, and I can't even tell you the detail that's involved. I can't even show you because it's quite reflective, But it's so beautiful what she's done. It's like drawing with thread. It's just so incredible. Feeling inspired to create your own beautiful work too? Well, Ria has also sent through 2 butterfly kits with the kind of mesh, the lace that you can work on. This is a sample that she sent, and everything you need is in the kit. It looks like a really, really special project to do. Something that would be perfect for a personal project to start in January, maybe. If you're interested in popping in when you're in Tokyo, please check out bikudesigns.com to find out where I am. I'm open every weekday 10 till 2. Outside of those times you can send me a message or a call and I'll open up for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded some new content. See you next time.